Hey guys, I have a credit tip for you. This is for any real estate transaction. The thing is, if your score goes up just 20 points, it's going to put you at a different rate bracket. It may seem small, like you get 1 or 2% better rate on your interest for that mortgage, but in a mortgage, it's such a large amount of money, that small interest rate that you're getting could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars, even depending on how much the mortgage is and the term of that loan. So I really encourage you to check out Credit Repair because you could be spending a lot more for your mortgage than you have to. If you fix your credit and your score goes up, let's say 20 points or more, maybe 50 points, you could be saving, $100 to $200 less on that mortgage payment, or even more, depending on the actual price of that mortgage. You can check it out online. Look up mortgage calculators, look up credit interest rate for mortgages, and you can see some diagrams that will show you some facts about that matter. Go to myfico.com. They're the original FICO score, and there you can get some good details about that. If you have any questions, just drop me a line, shoot me a call, send me a letter, hire an airplane to do something in the sky. I'll recognize it, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.